Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can buy and sell on Dexscreener. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Dexscreener website. Once you're on the site, look for the section on the left-hand side with various options. Scroll down to the lower part of the menu, where you'll find a list of different blockchain networks. At the top of this list, you'll notice an option labeled Moonshot. We want to go ahead and click on Moonshot. This will take us to the Dexscreener Moonshot page. To buy and sell coins, you first need to connect your wallet. To do this, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Connect button. From the options provided, select your Phantom wallet. Once your wallet is connected, you're ready to proceed with transactions. You can then choose a coin you're trying to buy from this list. Let's just say we wanted to buy this coin here. We could go to the right-hand side, and we can then choose how much Solana worth we want to buy. At the moment, I don't have any funds here. You can also change this. Mine is set to 15. I'm just going to set this to 8, and then I'll go ahead and click Buy. Since I have no funds, I can't complete the purchase. But this will show you the transaction is now processing. After a few seconds, you'll see that the transaction has been confirmed. If we now switch to the Sell interface, we'll be able to click 100%. If we wanted to sell, we could do that just the same as when we bought. So we could just click Sell instead of Buy. That's how you can buy and sell on Dexscreener. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.